Vagina for sale! Vagina for sale! Vagina for sale! Whoop whoop! Over yassa! White pum pum, black pum pum, bushy, shave pum pum, short, tall, big, small, most if not all pum pum. People, I realize what I want to do in my life. I want to become a realtor. Yeah, I want to go into real estate. Pum pum real estate. Kevin Two Crazy's Pum Pum Real Estate Agency. How may I help you today, sir? We are fresh out on Kim Kardashians. Those are pretty pricey. I think Kanye West got the last Kim Kardashian pum pum. Yes, sir. Okay, but if you don't mind, we have some Oprah. You'll take it? All right. Why don't you come in on Monday and we'll talk some more about the details. Okay. You have a nice day, sir. Or maybe I should go into auctioning. Pum pum auction. Okay, so we'll start the bidding at 50,000. 50,000. Do I hear 55? Do I hear 55? We got 55. All right, 55. Do I hear 60? Do I hear 60? Oh, we got 60. Oh, 100,000. 100,000. Do I hear 110? 100,000 going once. 100,000 going twice. So, to the gentleman who drives the Benz and who is likely going to kill you after he finds out his investment is being tampered with by some other man. Yeah, I feel like them two career them are going on because nowadays them girl they have pum pum for sale. From the other day, every time I walk past a female, I hear that sound. Cutting! I mean, I swear something wrong with me. Cutting! Cutting, 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 cutting. But then I realized that the new sound effect pum pum take on when it's going for sale. Cutting! Yes, man. Pum pum for sale. And it a sell more than hot bread. When I say it a sell, I mean I just the money to you know. Cause you have some niggas out there who talk about, yo, me nah buy no pussy in that. Me nah buy no pum pum, you know. And them feel say just money alone, man, use pay for pum pum. Some of them know say every time she call if you come pick her up from her house, pay her pay fee. Every time she asks you for $25, pay her pay fee pum pum. Know that. Almost everything you do nowadays, pay her pay fee pum pum, and you didn't even know. Pum pum myself to the point where me did have to go check the supermarket and Mr. Chin them, find out if them have none in store. Pum pum sell more than cash for gold. Pan the corner, you soon hear cash for whole. And when we realize say it's more popular among like young college girls. Cutting! With some of them girls, some of them women nowadays, you will get a better response if you wave to them with a wad of cash in your hand than if you just say hi. Hi. Cutting! Some of them you can't even look on. Are you hear this? What happened to the good old days when all man used to pay for pum pum was just words? Words. What happened to them days there? Just one whisper in her ears and she come like somebody a call her. Just one whisper and boy, the butter running, boy, the butter running. You know that one whisper you never did have to say much. Baby, this long time, girl, me never see you. Come make me hold your hand. This long time, girl, me never see. Come make me hold your hand. Peel head drunk or sit down in a treetop, pick out the blossom. Make me hold your hand, girl. Make me hold your hand. That's all they did have to pay for pum pum. What happened to them days there? Some of them girls nowadays are move like them all want put tax on it tuntun. GPT, general panty tax. Cutting! Watch out for them girl there, sir. Gangzilla did say it one time, you know. The man said, tell me when price start go pan I nanny. Gyal I love man fi Benz and Ferrari. Wanna stop the foolishness. Stop sell I nan. Stop it to Rass. Cause from when me I save one can buy so. But big and serious, stop it to Rass. Girls, be careful of what you're doing. I have heard this shit so many times. The nigga them invest them money in a uno and give her the merchandise. Stop it to Rass. And some niggas not take that shit lightly and then them kill her off. If uno no love the man, do not take his money. Not do it. Stop it to Rass. Cause them will kill her. Just retire the for sale sign off I pum pum. Yeah man, retire. Before you become another statistic or another headline in our news. Man, all I still know some woman's kill with the selling, you know. Stop it to Rass. Cause some of these niggas are such jackasses that them would have paid for the pum pum from now till thy kingdom come and they not even get to see one strand of hair panny. Not even a strand of hair them not get to see or touch. But them a pay feet like a jackass. Stop it to Rass. And I walk around the world like them a dads. Damn panty puppet. Hear me, ladies. Pum Pum is not for sale. Pum Pum is a self, not a shell item. Respect your Pum Pum. Control your pokey and make it control you. Stop selling the ton. Stop it to Rass. Me not pay for no punani. No, me don't pay the price already. You understand what I mean? Why only think men short one rib? That was the lifetime payment for the Pum Pum. That was the lifetime deposit. Cutting! Niggas, the next time a girl try sell a Pum Pum, make sure you know, bitch, I paid for that with one rib. You see this fucked up, slouched posture that your parents don't like? It's because I'm missing a rib. If you're gonna charge me for some ton, give me back my rib. Give me back my Pum Pum deposit. Pum Pum is not for sale. Stop it to Rass. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia.